Greetings, fellow traders. Bubblehead here, and it's time for the daily market wrap for Monday, March 23rd, 2020. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. All right, let's check and see where we left off with the market today. So down 67 points. It's kind of like a win. It's better than being down 100 points, right? So only down 2.93%. We're right here at the monthly cloud. We're below the 50 monthly moving average right there. So that's still bear market territory. Again, not surprised to see the week so far coming off of that week that closed below the December 2018 lows. So we did see a little bit of push down off of that, but they did do a little bit of a dip buying today, so that was good. But again, I like that we came off the lows today, so that's good. But again, still rough territory right here as we're below all the trend lines, the main moving averages, and the clouds. So it's just again, it's still bearish until proven otherwise. So let's see if they pass the stimulus plan tonight. Maybe that'll get the market going again. We do have a chance for here if we have a big green day yesterday. Tomorrow we've got a chance for a Morningstar reversal setup that could get us up to the next trend line above. So we've got that going on. Let's take a look at the SPY. So we go to the price action here today. So I mean, it was a pretty rough price action today, right? They bought it up at the open, right, on the Fed pump this morning. Then they sold it off right away. Then they came up again to the 15.05, and then they came back down to the 15 below, and they came back to the 15.05, and then they came back down to the 15 below. Now we're just kind of chopping after hours. Pretty nasty stuff. Let's take a look at the S&P futures. S&P futures, they did push down a little bit after the close. Now they're kind of coming back up again. We'll see how they go into the evening again at 6 o'clock when they open. So we go live with our group a lot of times for when the futures open at 6 o'clock, so we can take a look and see if there's any action there, maybe some trades that's set up for us. So we like the MES, which is your micros, right? So we can see here that there was some interesting price action again as well on the micros here. I like the inside 15, which worked its way down. Nasty price action today, guys. It was really, really tough. Big shadows everywhere on all the 1 minute time frames, the 15-minute time frame, everywhere, all over the place. So it made it a little bit challenging here on the futures today, but still some okay setups, right, that we saw there. So let's take a look at some other ones that set up interesting today. Let's take a look at Apple. So Apple, great job to our members who did well on this one today. Gave a couple different good setups. I mean, it was again, it came up with that Fed pump this morning, then nice move down, double inside 15, then this inside 15 here off this triangle for a big move down. Filled a bunch of our key levels that we provide for our members on the go-to list, and then gave that nice little breakout here of this downward trend line here into the end of the day. What else? Netflix. Netflix had a pretty good day today, guys. It had a big move at the open. I know it's crazy price action. I mean, it looks like an accordion, but it did hold up pretty well, for the most part, and closed pretty strong on the daily. It's got some work to do. It's like right at the cloud top right here, and this upper shadow is right off of these levels here. So it's in still a complex area. I'd like to have seen a little bit higher close. If it closed above this level here, I think that would have been something to look at as something that could go, especially as more people are at home, like on quarantine, watching Netflix, right? So AMD was another one. We had two option trades on this one today, which went pretty well. So we had a nice little down move right here, and then I think we grabbed a short here, like somewhere in here as well, as we kind of were breaking down. So two profitable trades on that one, so that's always good. Boeing was interesting, got an upgrade and a downgrade intraday. Goldman Sachs and Baird were kind of playing tug of war with this one, but a big spike on Boeing today, quick squeeze, got out of over a lot of key levels, and then kind of came back down into their ranges. Tesla was another one that got really tight this morning, and then basically stayed within this 15-hour range all day. It was just a really, really choppy day, and ended up, as you would expect, with a doji. So we've got that going on there. And when you see those choppy ones, it's usually a spinning top or a doji, especially if it closes in the middle. A couple of the ones that were big on the list today is Work was pretty hot today, so Slack was pretty good. That gave a nice move up intraday, so a couple good trades on that one. CRWD was good. That was pretty strong all day today as well. And then last but not least, Zoom, still strong, up, I mean, if you guys can believe it, up 29 points today, fresh highs, right? Big candle. I mean, this thing's just been so hot for the, as a Corona trade. So, as more people are using it for, working from home and, telecommuting, things like that. So anyway, guys, great stuff today. I hope everybody did well. Let's, keep an eye out for this volatility right here. We're still high, but let's see if we can get some strength. Maybe the stimulus package will pass, and we'll start, and then we'll start seeing some more recoveries of people and, praying for the world to get better. That's the goal here. So, and that should help the market too. So anyway, that being said, I hope everybody has a good evening. We'll see you guys on the free YouTube live stream tonight at 9:30 Eastern time on the Bubblehead channel. And stay healthy, and remember your risk first, and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And I'll talk to you soon.